Julian Patrick here.
Hey everyone, let's watch a video.
Let's do this.
Alright, we did mute the audio on this. If you want to hear it, you can go out and watch the original video. She says that this is a controversial video that she posted because she doesn't want to fold her sheets and it made the internet mad. Anyways. But what I really wanted to focus on is I didn't even know they made those containers that she's putting the sheets into. And sheets are a really awkward thing to store.
Yes.
And so...
especially the fitted ones.
Yes. Yeah, you got the top sheet, the fitted sheet, pillowcases, and trying to keep them all together, and they don't all fold to the same size. So I did find these containers pretty interesting.
All right. You already have some?
No, I don't have any of
Okay.
these. Actually, go ahead.
Well, this kind of reminds me of the Ziploc bags when you're going to the vacuum sealed bags when you're going, they always advertise those. When you're going on vacation, vacuum seal everything. It's kind of in that same line. It's kind of like a genius little thing. But what were you saying?
Well, I was going to say, and another thing that made me think about this video is I was recently over at one of my really good friends' house.
Yeah.
And she folded her...
helping 'em move.
Yeah, helping to move. And she folded her sheets, and they actually stored them in the pillowcases themselves, and then kind of put it into that block shape, which I thought was really ingenious. So even if you don't want to spend money on these cool Velcro boxes that'll stack up in a closet, another idea would be to fold them and put them in the pillowcase to keep them all together.
So they took the entire bedding set, folded it all up, but left one pillowcase on the side, stuffed everything inside that?
Yeah.
Or placed everything inside that?
Yeah.
That's genius.
Absolute
Your
genius.
friends are as smart as you are.
You know, what can I say? I got some amazing friends, that's for sure. Anyways, thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, take care.
Bye.